How to get rid of chiggers? Fast and effective. Chigger bites can be annoying. Chigger bites are not hazardous, but they are irritating and uncomfortable. Clear away tall plants, identify hot zones, and apply natural or chemical insecticides. Wear long clothes, apply bug repellent safely, and wash your body and clothes when you come inside. Use diatomaceous earth. It is a fast and effective way to get rid of chiggers. Natural organic diatomaceous earth can help remove chiggers and other gardens and lawn pests. Separate it by hand or using lawn separator, wearing gloves, glasses, and face masks. It's created from diatomaceous, fine white or off-white powder. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth about your yard and in any chigger-prone location. Tall grass, weeds, and briars need attention. Diatomaceous earth causes dehydration in chigger. The sharp granules may help keep chiggers. I hope you will enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for new videos. Thank you very much.